If you're a motorcycle junkie who loves hitting the road, why not treat yourself to a fun and practical piece of motorbike tech? We've rounded up the best wearable, functional, and thrilling motorcycle gadgets around for a safe and exciting ride. Whether you're looking to increase your motorcycle security with a new disc lock alarm, protect your hands with a pair of snazzy leather gloves, or catch a particularly stunning route on camera, we've got you covered. Number 10. GoPro Hero 10. GoPros are ideal for mounting to a range of objects or body parts and capturing fast-paced pictures and videos on the move, which makes it perfect as a desirable motorcycle gadget. Its waterproof model promises smooth footage and responsive touch controls. You can capture impressive image quality in low light conditions so you can shoot striking sunsets on an evening adventure. Number 9. Xiaomi Tire Inflator. Portable, compact, and rechargeable, the Xiaomi Air Inflator is the perfect tool for keeping your tires in top shape while riding. The pump features an LED LCD display of digital air pressure, comes with a rechargeable 2,000 amp-hour battery, and can inflate up to 150 psi. This is one motorcycle gadget that you can take anywhere, and it can be used on cars, motorcycles, inflatable toys, and more. Number 8. NexTool Outdoor Flashlight. The NexTool Outdoor Flashlight is a small yet powerful flashlight with emergency capabilities. The NexTool has a magnetic strip that can be attached to any metal part of your bike while you work at night. In case of emergency, the NexTool can beep at over 90 decibels and flash warning lights. It also has an inner battery so you can charge your mobile and other devices if needed. 2600 milliamp hour, 3.6 volts. Depending on your light intensity, 1000 to 40 lumen, the battery can last from 2.5 hours to a full day. Number 7. Disc Lock Alarm. If you're looking to increase your motorcycle security, a disc lock alarm is a simple and noisy solution. This device locks your motorcycle disc so the wheel can't spin and produces a 100 decibel alarm when it detects movement. This is to deter anyone from stealing your bike when it's parked in a car park or at the side of the road. The bright yellow device is perhaps a deterrent in itself, as anyone approaching can see you have a security system in place and wouldn't want to risk getting caught. You get 2 keys, which allow you to switch off the alarm, as well as a protective pouch for the lock. Number 6. Helmetlok. It's also worth thinking about helmet security, as carrying the helmet around with you can be a bit of a faff. By using a T-bar, security combination lock, and steel cable, this device from Helmetlok allows you to securely lock your helmet onto your bike. This device works well if you're quickly stopping off somewhere and don't fancy the hassle of lugging your helmet around. Number 5. Oxford Motorcycle Pro Toolkit. Having a toolkit in your garage is an essential part of ensuring your motorcycle remains in good condition. So, this Oxford Motorcycle Pro Toolkit is sure to become a well-used and relied upon item. The 27 motorcycle tools come in a neat, compact storage case so you can keep them all in one tidy place. The case folds down so you can store it under your seat too. This is particularly useful for any inconvenient mishaps that happen whilst you're on the road. In the pack, you'll find hex keys, steel sockets, a mini ratchet handle, and a 20mm adjustable spanner. Number 4. OGIO Motorcycle Backpack. This rucksack is packed with special features which aim to support motorcyclists and all of their carrying needs. The weather-resistant molded shell exterior is ideal for those wet and windy road trips, and there's a protective compartment for your laptop so you can commute in style. And you don't need to worry about your bag slowing you down, as the outer casing has an aerodynamic design which reduces drag. With plenty of space for your shoes and helmet visor, this bag is bound to become a useful trip companion. Number 3. Battery Tender QDC USB Motorcycle Charger. This handy gadget allows you to fuel up your phone using your motorcycle battery. You can charge any device that charges via USB, so that could be your tablet, GPS, camera, and phone, and it's designed for use on a 12-volt battery. This neat and affordable motorcycle accessory can be used on a range of models, including some vintage motorbikes. Number 2. Richa GTX Motorcycle Leather Gloves. These leather gloves not only look the part, but they also have a breathable Gore-TEX membrane, so your hands stay warm and dry during rainy rides. There are also safety features in place, including a hard PVC knuckle protection, double cuff closure, and reflective details to increase visibility. These touring gloves from Richa are ideal for use in autumn and spring. Number 1. Garmin Zumo 595LM. A trusty sat-nav GPS system specifically for your motorbike, this convenient tool is sure to help you find your way. If you're feeling up to it, you can source curvy and hilly routes by using the Garmin Adventurous feature. It also helps improve your road safety as it alerts you to sharp curves and railway crossings. The glove-friendly 5-inch screen is weather-resistant and sunlight-readable, so it'll get you home, rain, hail, or shine. That's all we have for you today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave us a like and hit the big bold red subscribe button to subscribe to our channel. Till next time.